In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Glassdoor account safely and permanently. If you've decided it's time to remove your profile, I'll walk you through the process clearly from start to finish, and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Glassdoor in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct login for the profile you want to delete. If you're on a phone, you can do this in the Glassdoor app as well, but the layout may look slightly different. Either way, the steps are the same. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon, usually found at the top right on desktop. From the menu that opens, choose Account Settings. This is where all of your core account preferences live, including privacy and security controls. By the way, if you need quick access, I've placed a link to the Glassdoor website at the top of the description. And if you prefer using your phone, you'll also find official download links for the mobile app there. Inside Account Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're looking for the option labeled Delete Account or Close Account. It might be phrased slightly differently depending on your region and interface, but it will be in that bottom section. Click it to continue. Next, Glassdoor may ask you to confirm your identity. This is a normal security step to protect your information. Enter your account password when prompted. If you've enabled any additional verification methods, follow those on-screen instructions as well. You'll now see a final warning explaining what happens when you delete your account. Take a moment to read it carefully. Deleting your account is permanent. Your profile, reviews, salary contributions, and saved jobs will be removed, and you won't be able to recover them later. If there's anything you want to keep for your records, make sure you have it before proceeding. When you're sure, click Confirm or Delete Account. The system will process your request and you'll be signed out. In most cases, the deletion takes effect immediately, though some data may take a short time to fully disappear from all views in the system, and that's the entire process. Log in, open Account Settings, scroll to the Delete option, verify your identity, and confirm the deletion. Simple, direct, and final. That's it. Your Glassdoor account has now been deleted. If this helped, please give the video a like and check the links at the top of the description for quick access to the website and the mobile app. Thanks for watching.